Okay, today we'll start off with the offset bend, and what we'll do is we're going to go to electrical settings. I'll use shortcut key ES, and I'm going to change this to 30 degrees, and I'm going to start my conduit at 9 feet high, 9 feet above finished floor, and now I will make sure on slope here, and I'll change it down to 8 feet. And as you can see, I have a slope pipe at 30 degrees. Now, if you have an existing conduit and you want to draw an offset, you'll have to break it. Delete the fittings there and lower this down to, let's say we'll lower it down to 7 feet, and then you can select the pipe, say create similar, take off, and then go down to 7 feet, and you will have 30 degree slope pipe.